Hi everyone! Today we are making steamed leche flan. What are you doing, Mamo? Are we making leche flan today? We are! Get him. If you feel like having sweet treats today, join me in making steamed leche flan. Here are the ingredients for making steamed leche flan. In a large wok pot, boil 2 to 3 quarts of water over medium-high heat. In a mixing bowl, place 10 large egg yolks. Add 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix until well combined. Add vanilla extract, mix and set the mixture aside. In a saucepan, melt 10 tablespoons of sugar until caramelized over medium-low heat. Immediately transfer the liquefied sugar in a container. Distribute evenly and let it cool for 10 minutes. Pour the mixture into the container until close to full. Cover with tin foil and place into the steamer over medium-high heat. After 45 minutes, remove and let it cool for 10 minutes. Discard the tin foil and refrigerate for 1 hour or overnight. Using the butter knife, slowly loosen the leche flan by inserting the knife through the side of the container. Take a clean plate and place it on top and quickly flip the container over. Slowly lift the container until the leche flan is transferred completely into the plate. Here you go, my first steamed leche flan. Enjoy!